our way to the aisle of dogs. Stop on D6. It's only 36 minutes away from my house. It was very on the bus stop. It was very cool. It's a surprise for Tanya. We're going to a farm. I don't want her to hear me, but she's not even looking at me. You heard me? We're gonna have so much fun today. I hope she likes it. I hope she loves it. I hope she enjoys herself. It's my second day out in London by ourselves. Tomorrow we're going to Patty. And when the bus stops, because it's electric, it just recharges itself. Every time it stops, the bus completely stops. It's crazy. It's so weird to me. Like, it's interesting, but weird. It's interesting. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Hope you have fun. Sorry for that slight glare. And yeah, this is a D6. D6 is a bus. We're going to somewhere. I don't want to give it away. I gave her a clue earlier. I said don't step in clue. She's talking about dogs. I'm like, no, we're not seeing dogs. I'll show you the animals that we'll see. We'll see the animals. You can see a dog on the street. Oh, she realized it's messed up. You can see an animal on the street. A dog on the street. But not right now. I'm a surprised person. CT plus. I guess all of them, 80 pounds if you mess up the fare. But every bus has a CCTV. It's basically a camera. I hope y'all saw that properly. What? What? I don't know what she's doing, but yeah. We're chilling out here. It's the first time we wore pants. We came here in pants. And tights. But I forgot. I think I had out of pants. I like exercise clothes, so I was like comfortable. It's the first time I did that. It was a church trip, so I have mostly dresses and skirts. So does Kdiddavis, but she thought she had shorts or anything resembling pants for this trip. First time I wore pants on this trip. That was a bad. Yeah. I'm gonna have some fun again. Later, guys. This just look like I want to say Forest Hills area. All right. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. This looks like a regular place, other than these shelters. Well, we have shelters over our stuff too. So look at this. It don't feel like you're in. You only know you're in Britain because you know you're in Britain. Like, I guess everywhere and around the world has a similar place to somewhere else. You feel me? Yeah. This reminds me of Queens a little bit. Give me Queens vibes. Maybe Long Island, but maybe not. The thing about it, this reminds me of Long Island, Queens. Really, mostly Queens, Long Island. Because I feel like I don't see too often Long Island like that. I wasn't going the right way. So I need to cross over. Actually, let me go this way. I don't want to step in no grass. I hate stepping in grass. I don't see no signs for nothing. So let's see what happens. Guys, we're on the way to see the farm. Even though people said it out loud, Katania's sitting here. Do you know where we're going, Katania? Do you know where we're going? Okay, good. You weren't listening. Yeah. I'm so happy. It could be a surprise. Yeah. Is this a regular drive-through? I don't think this is the right way. I don't think that's the right way. I think this is the right way. We'll see. See you later, guys. Thank God this little girl can't read because she would know where we're going. But now we're trailing along. We're in here. This is the scenery. This reminds me of Valley Stream right now. Give me Valley Stream feeling. It's free to go in. All I did, I'm gonna tell you how I look up all my stuff. Hopefully I remember. Honestly, I just YouTubed it. I YouTubed my life away on this trip. So yeah. Okay. I guess we're late. Is it a far walk in?
Sorry?
Is it a far walk in?
No, not far at all.
Okay.
You can manage it.
All right,
no
thank
worries.
you. Come, baby. Look at all the scenery, baby. Look at the scenery. Ooh. Did I tell you about animals? So how you think animals gonna be here? What? What's wrong? Who told you animals are gonna be here? I didn't tell you that. You heard me talking to somebody? Who you told me talking to?
Me.
No, you're lying.
Yeah.
It's so funny. Look at that. You see, it looks like Jamaica over here, then Queens over there. Yeah, we're gonna see animals, baby. Okay? Okay. Look at this. It's like a zoo, basically. It looks like a zoo, basically. You just walk in. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Yes, the animals are here. This is their home. I should wear sneakers.
Why not so many? Oh, the animal!
Yes, baby. Oh.
Can I get yours?
Look at them.
You got one to your skin. Oh, lick me. I need a wet wipe.
I'm surprised they're not overweight.
It's called licking.
The way people probably feeding you every minute.
That's the mommy and the daddy.
I don't know what they are.
You may as well just keep it. You may as well keep it like that, yeah. Look, put it on your hand like this and open your hand up. Look.
Sorry.
Keep your hand open like that.
Okay. You want to see other animals? I feel like I'm in Jamaica right now. Just, yeah. You can see that one in Jamaica. You'll be fine. She don't need to see no cow. Which one do you want to see? Everywhere you go, you got to see the poop where the animals are. It don't look like cow poop because cow poop is more like a bowl of pars just coming over. I hate pars, so that don't bother me at all. That's what it looks like. Let's see chicken. We saw chickens already. Go see them again if you want to see them. I don't care. Go see a chick here. A chick there. There a chick everywhere. A chick. This is the main courtyard. You get feed. Oh, I thought you pay for feed. Probably don't. I don't know. Katanya, why would you touch the floor? You can't eat nothing now. I'm not going back to wash your hands, so. Katanya, you put your hands on the floor, though. The floor is dirty. Let's go wash your hands. Because you just... I'm trying to get out of here. Apparently the museum is like 44 minutes away. I don't think that's going to happen. Because I don't want to miss the tour today. Because I don't know. Maybe I'll go to the museum and it's probably, hopefully that's not far away from where I need to go. I don't know. Let's see. Can I find where we wash our hands again? I didn't go down there. I don't think I did anyway. I don't remember coming this way, to be honest. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't remember coming this way. Maybe we went down. Maybe we came down. Oh, yes. That's it right there, right?
Like I don't eat pig. For me,
we came from down here to wash our hands. It's right there. Hand washing, because Tanya can't stop, drop, or roll. Go wash your hands, Katanya. Walk fast, baby. Walk fast. Don't put your hands in your clothes. Your hands are dirty. Then we can leave. Because he wants to be Katanya. I'm supposed to know why animals like that? I don't know. Go wash your hands. Chop, chop. But yeah. About to rinse my hand off real quick. It's now, honestly, it don't smell like that much of a farm, but right now with the wind blowing, it smells a tints of farm. But they keep the farm pretty clean, so that's a good thing about that. And of course, it's free. Because I do all the free things in London. Put the soap in your hand, baby. Put the soap in your hand. Yeah, I'm about to wash my hands real quick too. Later. We're on our way back out. We're going to a tour at 3:30. Right now it's only 12. I want to go to the museum, but the museum is not even closed. Everything seems closed except the museum. So I don't really know. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably gonna find something in this area to do. Right now we're just chilling like a villain on penicillin and living life. Yep, just living the life out here on the trails. Come Tater. Come Tater. Hold my hander. Peter Panner. Oh, look at that. Look at all that greenery. You'd never think you're in London right now. This is like London. London. But hopefully I remember to link all the information at the bottom of this so you can, you know, be able to do it yourself. And they said the feed was like 10 pence or something like in this girl's video. Well, somebody gave me feed. I was, because they said I had to pay for them, like pay for it. What? I'm helping y'all do y'all job by feeding these damn animals. I'm not with it. So, Katanya, hurry up, baby. Hurry. I'm walking slow. What's wrong? Come. Bye, Katanya. Because I don't know what you're doing. Katanya, you're doing the most. You're doing the most. So, it looks like the food is actually free. I see people just getting it, not paying anything. So, I don't know. But they did have a stock up on soap and paper towel. But I am early in the morning. So, probably that's why I stocked up real good right now. But good amount of people were out today. So, and today's a nice day. So yeah, see the signs to see. I'm about to be going outside. Yeah. When you see graffiti places, you be like, am I in a rough part of the hood? But I don't think it's that rough, to be honest. Later, guys. Later.